Caretaker Federal Minister for IT and Telecommunication Dr. Umar Saif on Thursday said that under the pilot project, 10,000 freelancers would start receiving payments from PayPal in February. Addressing a Tech Destination Pakistan event that featured the launch of e-Rozgar centers in the country, he said, "In February, we are going to start the first pilot project in which 10,000 freelancers in Pakistan would be able to start receiving payments through PayPal." The minister further mentioned that in March, the program would be scaled up and everyone would have access to payments from PayPal and Stripe across the country. He clarified that while PayPal itself is not coming to Pakistan, an agreement has been reached where remittances would be channeled through PayPal via a third party. Under the newly devised program, the freelancers will not need to open a PayPal account. Instead, individuals outside the country will make payments from their PayPal accounts, and the funds will be promptly deposited into the freelancers' accounts, the minister explained. The IMF Executive Board has approved a loan of $70 million for Pakistan. A loan has been approved under the Standby Arrangement Program for Pakistan. On completion of the first economic assessment, the staff-level agreement was signed on November 15. Pakistan has already received $1.2 billion from the loan program. By receiving $70 million from the IMF, the amount of $1.9 billion will be released. Meanwhile, total liquid foreign reserves of Pakistan increased to $13,256.6 million while reserves held by State Bank reached $8,154.8 million in the week ended on January 5, 2023. The State Bank of Pakistan, in a statement issued here on Thursday, informed that SBP's reserves decreased by $66 million to $8,154.8 million due to debt repayments during the week under review. Meanwhile, net foreign reserves held by commercial banks stood at $5,101.8 million, it added. Total liquid foreign reserves held by the country, in the previous week ended on December 29, 2023, were $13,220.6 million. Among them, foreign reserves held by the central bank were $8,221.2 million while net foreign reserves held by commercial banks were $4,999.4 million. Khaibar Pakhtunkhwa police have taken another step towards policing and introduced e-policing and safe election digital applications to prevent crimes by providing citizens with convenient access to police services. According to DIG IT Irfan Tariq, the e-policing app would include the data of suspects from all over the country, including Khaibar Pakhtunkhwa, adding that it would facilitate quick identification of criminals and vehicles. He said the purpose of the e-Safe election app is to secure the security plan based on all the arrangements of the election. Similarly, the purpose of e-police check posts is to solve the problems being faced by the people, as the app would also be accessible to the officers stationed at the check posts, the DIG informed. He said that so far details of the last 3 years of over 750,000 accused of all types have been entered in the app, which would make it easy to identify and arrest the accused of a crime through this app.